What part of B. Riley Financial is Oaktree really looking at here?
Yeah, so Bloomberg reporting that this would be on their appraisal and valuation services arm and their retail, wholesale, and industrial solutions unit, entities formerly known as Great American Group. This would be a small part of the company, which has kind of had its range of issues. As you mentioned, the stock up more than 30%, still down 80% in the last 12 months, given an SEC investigation, potentially concerns around their debt, which is about $7 billion in the next few years, as well as just kind of general uncertainty around the company and being able to catch up on a number of overdue filings.
In addition, I mean, we talk about the uncertainty around this company, but when you look at the businesses, at least that Bloomberg is reporting that Oaktree is interested in, there's some viability there, right? I mean, the idea here is what's going on with B. Riley is much more about the people who are in charge rather than the actual businesses themselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the folks at Oaktree are very smart, so seemingly they would not be kind of kicking the tires on acquiring units if there wasn't value there. And as Scarlett mentioned, about $380 million in the deal out in the two units is relatively small compared to the likes of kind of assets that an Oaktree would be pursuing.
And very quickly, you mentioned they have a lot of debt. That debt actually was retail investors are exposed to a lot of that debt.
Yeah, they sold a lot of so-called baby bonds, and the increment's about $25 to individual investors. Those are unsecured obligations, so were something to happen, those investors would not be first in line like typically safer loans that are kind of...
They kind of become equity investors in a way.
In a way, yeah.